Horses out as they battle the Jojo Bayani OTB Sports City Race. We've got entry number 6, El Injo. As to begin, moving up on the outside now is Forever Young. Bumpy Road comes next, Something New, Golden You. And on the outside, Security General and Pangani Boy is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have El Indio. Bayoraling Ganehapa. Security General in second, in between horses, Something New, Forever Young is racing in fourth. Bumpy Road in fifth, then comes Golden You and Pangani Boy. Meanwhile, Red Stellium Joe, and on the outside is Something New. And in third, Security General, Forever Young in fourth. Then followed by Golden You, and on the outside, Bumpy Road and Pangani Boy. And Red Stellium Joe moving up, Something New on the outside, Security General. Forever Young remains in fourth, Golden New, Bumpy Road and Pangani Boy. Something New takes the lead, and on the outside is Security General. Elim Joe Dress back in third, racing in fourth is Forever Young and Bumpy Road. Security General, Something New is running by the rail as they come there at the last 150. Something New, Security General is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Security General, Something New, Forever Young now on the outside, moving up, Forever Young on the outside. It's now Forever Young entering the finish line. It's Forever Young, second, Something New, Security General, Bumpy Road, and Golden You for your pentapecta.
It seems like it's 8-4-3-2-1 ang ating unofficial order for arrival.
At third choice si Forever Young sa ating